How to fix HP laptop crackling sound. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix HP laptop crackling sound. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to right click on the start menu and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on device manager over here and you'll be able to see another window open right in front of you. So in the device manager list, you're going to search for sound, video, and game controllers. So you're going to expand it and you're going to select your sound controller, whichever speaker you're using. So you're going to right click on that and click on update driver. Here you can either click on search automatically for drivers or click on browse my computer for drivers. So if you have any driver installed, you're going to simply select that model and click on next. And once it is installed, your issue will be resolved. If not, then you're going to go to the search over here and you're going to search for power plan. So you'll be able to see an option of edit power plan. So you're going to simply head over there. And once you click on edit power plan, you'll be redirected to edit plan settings. And over here, you'll be able to see the option of change advanced power settings. And here you'll be able to see PCI Express, simply expand it and then expand link state power management. And you're going to make sure that on battery and plugged in, both of them are moderate power savings. So you're going to make both of these moderate power savings one by one. Once done, simply press OK and your issue will be resolved. If not, you're going to simply right click on the speaker icon over here and click on sound settings. And you'll be redirected to the settings of your Windows. And here you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see an option of more sound settings. Click on that. And here you'll be able to see all of the devices that you have. So here you're going to click on the device. For example, let me click on speakers. And here you'll be able to see advanced levels spatial sound. So you're going to select levels over here. And once you're here, you're going to click on balance and you'll be able to see L and R. So it will allow you to test both of the speakers. So let's say first you have to make L0 and click on OK, and then you can play anything and check your speaker. If the issue is still there, then that means that your L speaker was correct, but the issue was arising from the right one. So next, you're going to simply just make this one 0 and this one 100. And now if the issue is not there anymore, then that means that R had the issue, L is the correct one. So you can test that by balancing these speakers. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.